Now, bell peppers are actually enjoyable to cut once you figure out how to cut them without all the seeds flying all over. So this is how I like to cut a bell pepper. First, I cut that top off and kind of if the stem falls out, just set it aside. And then I go around and kind of quarter it. So you're going to cut it in large pieces and leaving the stem and everything intact. And you kind of curve your knife around so that you catch most of the bell pepper. Then you're just going to discard that. And then from here, you can slice or dice it up. Just kind of depends on what you're going to use it for. And so then, obviously, for the top, this is how I normally just kind of dice it up too. So this is super similar with the jalapeno. I take the top off, and then a lot of times, just so you have a nice flat surface to work with, I'll cut that little end off, stand it up, and if you don't want the seeds, same thing, just turn the jalapeno around as you cut all the sides off, and then you will have all your seeds intact. And a lot of times, you know, same thing, dice it up how you want. A lot of times then I'll just want a little bit of a kick, so I will add half the seeds from the middle, but that way you don't have seeds flying all over the kitchen.